So I'm reporting live from Virginia Beach. It usually doesn't snow, but I figured I'd show you guys what we get as far as snow. I mean, usually it's not that much, but between last night and today, it's already snowed like maybe 6 to 7 inches, I suppose. At least that's what this news is saying. So we're gonna take you on a quick walkthrough of town center here in Virginia Beach, show you how it looks. Alright guys, I couldn't walk around the whole town center because it's freezing cold out here. Right now the temperature is about 20 degrees and it was snowing, but it actually just stopped. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick little drive around for you since I'm already over here in town center, just to kind of show you the area and show you good things to do. There's really not much people here because of the snow, but let's get into it.